Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Oral-B head cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for maintaining the hygiene and longevity of your electric toothbrush heads, ensuring that each brush is as clean and effective as the first time you used it, protecting it from dust, debris, and potential contamination when not in use, which is crucial for oral health. Number 5. Haven Toothbrush Cover, Travel Set. Introducing the Haven Toothbrush Cover, your perfect travel companion. Keep your toothbrush clean and protected wherever your adventures take you. Designed to fit both electronic and manual toothbrushes, these covers offer versatile protection. No more worrying about compatibility issues. Maintain hygiene during your travels with these essential toothbrush cap protectors. They provide a clean barrier against germs and dirt. Crafted for durability and style, this set comes in elegant white and coral colors. They are built to last and look great. This convenient set includes 2 toothbrush covers, one in white and one in coral. Perfect for you and a travel partner, or for keeping spares. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these covers ensure your toothbrush remains safe and clean. Make your travel packing easier. What we like? This set comes with 2 covers, one in white and one in coral, offering a stylish way to protect your toothbrush. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep your toothbrush clean on the go or at home, this is a great choice. It's ideal for individuals or couples who want basic protection and a touch of color. What people say. The design is sleek and functional, and I love that the set comes with 4 colors: white, coral, teal, and charcoal gray. It's super convenient for organizing multiple toothbrushes, especially when you're traveling with family or want to differentiate between different brush types. The fit is perfect for both manual and electric toothbrushes, and it keeps the bristles covered and protected from dirt and germs. The breathable material is another great feature, allowing the toothbrushes to stay dry and preventing mold or bacteria buildup. Number 4. LazyMe Electric Toothbrush Stand for Oral-B. Tired of cluttered bathroom counters? Introducing a smart storage solution designed to keep your dental essentials organized and accessible. Specifically engineered for Oral-B electric toothbrush heads, this holder ensures a secure and perfect fit every time. Keep your brush heads and chargers neatly stored. Its compact and sleek design takes up minimal space on your countertop or shelf. Enjoy a tidier bathroom without sacrificing functionality. Crafted from durable plastic materials, this stand is built for longevity. It's a sturdy and reliable companion for your daily oral hygiene routine. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its detachable design. Keep your storage solution pristine with minimal effort, ensuring a hygienic space for your dental care items. What we like? This stand is designed specifically for Oral-B electric toothbrush heads, capable of holding up to 4 heads and 2 charging bases. If you have multiple Oral-B heads or a family using them, this stand offers excellent organization and keeps your counter clutter-free. It's a practical solution for maintaining a tidy bathroom. What people say. The head cover is designed to protect the brush head from dust and debris, keeping it hygienic. It fits snugly onto the Oral-B brush head, preventing it from falling off during storage or travel. The cover is made of durable plastic that is easy to clean and resistant to breakage. Number 3. UCEC Travel Toothbrush Head Covers. These covers are designed to fit a wide variety of toothbrushes, including most manual and electric models. They are compatible with popular brands like Oral-B, Colgate, and Philips Sonicare. Featuring 6 ventilation holes, these covers allow your toothbrush to dry faster than standard covers. This innovative design also helps keep the bristles straight and protected. The spring-loaded closure ensures a secure fit, preventing them from falling off during travel. They are compact and take up minimal space in your bag, making them perfect for on-the-go use. These cases are ideal for keeping your toothbrush clean and safe from dust, whether at home or while traveling. It's recommended to replace them every 2 months to maintain optimal oral hygiene. Available in 6 different colors, these unique shell-style caps are perfect for multi-person households. They make it easy for everyone to identify their own toothbrush. What we like? With 6 ventilation holes, these covers help your toothbrush dry faster and keep bristles straight, preventing contamination. If you need covers that fit a wide variety of electric and manual toothbrushes and want to ensure optimal drying, these are a fantastic option. Their unique shell design also makes them easy to distinguish in a multi-person household. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is very functional and easy to use. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other products. Number 2. Oral-B Electric Toothbrush Head Covers, 8-pack. Keep your electric toothbrush heads clean and protected from dust and airborne contaminants. Made from environmentally friendly materials, these covers offer a hygienic solution. Ideal for both your bathroom at home and when you're on the go. They ensure your toothbrush stays fresh and clean, a better alternative to plastic bags. These covers are designed to be washed and reused for many years. Choosing them is a more environmentally friendly option for toothbrush storage. Prevent bristle deformation and maintain their shape and elasticity. This helps extend the lifespan of your brush heads and ensures effective cleaning every time. Please note, these covers are specifically designed for Oral-B round brush heads. They are not compatible with Oral-B IO brush heads. What we like. These covers are made from environmentally friendly materials and are washable and reusable, offering long-term hygienic protection. If you prioritize sustainability and want to ensure your toothbrush bristles maintain their shape and effectiveness for longer, this pack is an excellent investment. It's perfect for anyone seeking a durable and eco-conscious solution. What people say. I really like how low-profile these toothbrush protectors are, and how easily they snap on and off. It does accumulate a little bit of moisture immediately after you use your toothbrush, but there's so much ventilation in the back that any moisture disappears in 10 minutes, and every time I use my brush again, it's bone dry. This cover is perfect to use while traveling. They hold perfectly on the toothbrush. Number 1. Oral-B Long Dual Heads Replacement Toothbrush Heads, 6-pack. Keep your replacement toothbrush heads clean and protected on the go. These clear caps offer durable protection for your dual head brush replacements. Specifically designed to fit Oral-B Long Dual Head Replacement brush heads. Ensure a secure and snug fit every time you store them. Perfect for travel, these protective caps make it easy to pack your brush heads without worry. Maintain hygiene wherever your adventures take you. Made from sturdy, clear plastic, these covers allow you to easily see the brush heads inside. They are built to last and provide reliable protection. This pack includes 6 protective caps, ensuring you have spares for all your replacement brush heads. Get great value and peace of mind for your oral hygiene routine. What we like. Specifically designed for Oral-B Long Dual Head Replacement Toothbrush Heads, these clear plastic covers offer secure protection. If you use this particular type of Oral-B head and need a reliable travel case that ensures hygiene and prevents damage, these are the ones to consider. They are ideal for maintaining the integrity of specialized brush heads during transit. What people say. Cover my electric toothbrush perfectly. I have a Oral-B electric toothbrush. Stays on the brush head, keeps brush head clean. I love that the brush heads can dry without being exposed to dust. They don't take up any extra room and they are more durable than I expected. They're great for home or travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.